In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and navigate Google Calendar effectively, so you can manage your time like a pro. First, let's get started by opening Google Calendar on your device. Simply head over to your web browser and type in calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it allows you access to your personalized calendar where you can view and manage all your events. Now that you're signed in, let's take a moment to understand the layout of Google Calendar. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find a mini calendar. This is a handy tool for quick date navigation, and below it, you'll see a list of all your calendars. You can easily toggle these on or off, depending on which ones you want to view at any moment. The center of your screen is where the main calendar is displayed. You can look at your schedule in either a daily, weekly, or monthly view, whichever suits your needs best. The weekly view is particularly useful for seeing a full lineup of tasks and events across several days at a glance. Feel free to experiment with these views to find what works best for your planning style. Moving on, at the top of your screen, you'll find a few important tools. There's the Create button, which is hard to miss, and it's generally situated towards the left. This is your go-to for starting a new event or meeting. Additionally, there are search and settings options here as well, allowing you to quickly find past or upcoming events and adjust your calendar preferences. Now, let's try creating a new event together. You have two options to do this. You can either click on the plus Create button at the top left of your screen, or directly click on the date and time on the calendar when you want to schedule your event. This allows for a straightforward user experience. Once you've decided when you're free and clicked accordingly, a new event window will pop up, ready for you to fill with details. Begin by giving your event a title. Something simple yet descriptive, like Meeting with John. Then, make sure you select the correct date and time. You don't want to miss your own meeting because of a time mix-up. Adding a location can be just as important. You can either specify a physical location or include a Google Meet link if you're planning a virtual meeting. This way, all attendees will know exactly where they need to be or how to connect on the day. Don't forget to add any pertinent notes or a description for your event. This section is the perfect spot for outlining the meeting agenda or listing any items people should bring along. Once you're satisfied with all the details, hit Save. This will secure your event on your calendar and you'll be all set. And there you have it. A simple, efficient way to keep track of your schedule with Google Calendar. Practice these steps and you'll be on your way to becoming a master organizer in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other guides for more great tips.